In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix error when logging into Microsoft account. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and search for virus and threat protection to open your antivirus settings. Once you are there, click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now temporarily turn off real-time protection. And if you see other related protection option, you can disable them as well just for the process. Confirm any prompts that appear. Next, press Windows plus Q or simply use the search bar and type Internet option. Then open it. Go to Advanced tab and scroll all the way down to Security section. Here, make sure to enable all TLS options including TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3. Once you have checked all of them, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, try logging into your Microsoft account again and the error should be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.